In the latest episode of our series, we learned about one of the largest human-made structures in the world, the Great Wall of China. But how was this structure built? How did they manage to construct such a long wall that spans across multiple terrains with limited technology? What engineering principles were used to build the Great Wall of China? And why does it still stand strong after all these years? Join us as we take a closer look at the construction of the Great Wall of China, a marvel of ancient engineering. This included procuring an enormous quantity of building materials such as bricks, stones, and wood for structural support. The actual construction process was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, incorporating various defensive features to deter and repel potential invaders. To ensure the wall's effectiveness and longevity, a system of maintenance and repair was crucial. One of the most significant innovations was the development of new construction techniques and materials. The meticulous planning, innovative techniques, and sheer manpower involved in its creation are a source of continuous fascination. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest videos. And as always, feel free to drop your suggestions in the comment section below. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. From the initial surveying of the terrain to the implementation of advanced defense mechanisms, each step played a vital role in shaping this iconic structure. The utilization of available resources, the development of specialized tools, and the incorporation of sustainable practices are all remarkable aspects of the Great Wall's construction. By studying and appreciating the methods used to build the Great Wall of China, we gain a deeper understanding of the ingenuity and perseverance of our ancestors. It serves as a reminder of what can be achieved when communities come together with a shared purpose. The builders had to adapt their methods based on the specific terrain and resource availability along the route. For instance, in areas with abundant vegetation, they utilized the surrounding materials to construct the wall, incorporating plants and trees into the structure. This not only utilized readily available resources, but also helped in stabilizing the soil and integrating the wall with the natural environment. Another innovation was the use of specialized tools and equipment. While the construction of the Great Wall relied heavily on manual labor, they also developed and utilized specialized tools to assist in the construction process. These tools may have included simple machines such as levers and pulleys, which helped in lifting and transporting materials to greater heights. Such innovations not only increased efficiency, but also enabled the builders to overcome challenges associated with the construction of such a massive structure. Regular inspections were conducted to identify areas that needed attention, such as damaged sections or breaches. These inspections allowed for timely repairs, preventing small issues from escalating into major problems. Repair crews were responsible for fixing damaged sections of the wall, restoring its structural integrity. They would use the same techniques employed during construction, utilizing bricks, stones, or rammed earth as needed. Preservation efforts were equally important in extending the lifespan of the Great Wall. This involved implementing measures to protect the wall from the elements and natural decay. Applying protective coatings or treatments could help seal the wall, reducing the effects of moisture and erosion. By safeguarding the wall from natural deterioration, these efforts ensured that the structure remained a lasting testament to the builder's skill and dedication. Over the centuries, the Great Wall of China has undergone numerous restorations and repairs, allowing it to endure to this day. These efforts have not only preserved a significant piece of history, but have also ensured that future generations can marvel at this extraordinary feat of engineering. The design included watchtowers spaced at regular intervals along the wall, allowing for visual communication and early warning systems. These towers were strategically positioned to provide a clear line of sight, enabling guards to spot approaching threats from afar. Connecting the watchtowers were battlements, which are the sections of the wall that protrude outward, offering additional protection and creating a clear path for archers. This design feature allowed defenders to engage enemies without the risk of friendly fire. Moats were often integrated into the defensive system, serving as a further line of defense and a means to impede the progress of attacking forces. These deep, wide ditches were strategically dug alongside the wall, forcing invaders to divert resources and time to fill them in before attempting to breach the wall itself. Bridges would be constructed over the moats, allowing the defenders to cross and engage in battle if needed. These defensive elements worked together to create a robust defense system that protected the Chinese states from external threats. The strategic placement of fortifications, coupled with the length of the wall, made it extremely challenging for invading armies to penetrate the Great Wall of China. The technique started with the selection of materials based on the specific location and geological conditions. In areas with abundant resources, brick and stone were preferred for their durability and longevity. However, in regions where obtaining these materials was challenging, rammed earth became the primary choice. Rammed earth construction involves compacting soil into layers to form solid walls. Skilled laborers would have used shovels, rakes, and other basic tools to shape and compact the earth. This technique not only utilized readily available resources, but also minimized waste. The construction process began by laying the foundation, which was crucial for the stability of the entire structure. Workers would have dug a trench and filled it with a mixture of gravel and lime to create a level and compact base. On top of the foundation, the wall was constructed in sections using either brick, stone, or rammed earth. Brick and stone masons would have carefully laid each block, ensuring proper alignment and stability. Skilled masons would have also incorporated features such as weep holes to allow water to escape and prevent the wall from becoming waterlogged. These techniques ensured that the Great Wall could withstand the test of time, standing strong against natural elements and potential invaders. As construction progressed, the builders faced numerous challenges, such as harsh weather conditions, steep slopes, and limited access to water. They developed innovative solutions to overcome these obstacles, showcasing their adaptability and problem-solving skills. For instance, they may have used scaffolding to reach greater heights or devised methods to transport water to the construction site. Each challenge they conquered contributed to the eventual triumph of creating one of the world's most iconic structures. The logistics of transporting these materials to the construction site posed a significant challenge, especially considering the rugged terrain and lack of advanced transportation systems. To address this, the builders would have likely utilized existing transportation networks, such as rivers and roads, to move materials. They may have also developed innovative techniques to transport materials across difficult terrain, such as using animal-drawn carts or rudimentary cranes. Furthermore, the construction of the Great Wall led to the establishment of specialized workshops where artisans crafted the necessary components. These workshops would have employed skilled craftsmen who could create bricks of uniform size and quality, while others would have focused on cutting and shaping stones. The availability of skilled labor was crucial for the project's success, and cities near the construction site likely provided a pool of workers. Additionally, the mobilization of labor was a massive undertaking in itself, requiring coordination and management to ensure a steady and sufficient workforce. The builders likely implemented a system to recruit and deploy laborers, possibly through local officials or community leaders. The construction of the Great Wall of China was a monumental task that required the efforts of countless individuals over several centuries. Remembers the impressive final product, it's essential to appreciate the intricate details and complexities involved in its creation. So let us embark on a journey back in time and explore the remarkable process that brought this iconic structure to life. Planning and preparation, securing the frontiers. The initial purpose of the Great Wall was to protect the Chinese states from nomadic tribes from the north and the west. The planning process involved surveying the terrain, identifying strategic locations for the wall, and determining its route. This required skilled surveyors who could accurately measure distances and elevations to ensure the wall's effectiveness. They would have used tools like ropes and weights to create level lines and determine the height of the wall. Engineers and military strategists would have collaborated to fortify key passes, ensuring the wall's defensive capabilities. By planning ahead, the builders could anticipate challenges and implement solutions during construction. Resource acquisition, a massive undertaking. Building a wall on such a grand scale demanded a massive investment of resources. Construction techniques, building a legacy, fortification, and defense, protecting the realm. The Great Wall was not just a barrier, it was a sophisticated defense mechanism. Maintenance and preservation, enduring through time. The construction of the Great Wall was a Herculean effort, but the responsibility didn't end there. Innovations and adaptations, adapting to terrain. The construction of the Great Wall of China was a remarkable feat of engineering that required innovative solutions to overcome various challenges. The construction of the Great Wall of China is a testament to the power of human determination and ingenuity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.